NCBI. You often work with data from NCBI. When you download data from NCBI, it very often comes in XML format. How can I import such an XML file in R? Well, the easiest way to do this, don't go to NCBI yourself. No, the more elegant and easier solution is to fetch the file from within R. From inside R, you can access all the NCBI databases, yeah, using this package called Rentrée, R Entrée. Entrée is the system that allows you to access NCBI databases. You will have to install it first, but it's easy to do. You just go to the Packages tab and you ask for install. It's one of the cron packages, so you just type Rentrée. There we are, and you just install it. So once you have it installed, we are going to load it. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you all the databases from NCBI that you can access from within R. So let's run this one. It's a lot, eh? These are all the databases that you can access. I think it's all of them. So when you search one of the databases in NCBI, you take a browser, you go to the website, you select here the database that you want to search in. Let's go for SRA. And then you type something here that defines what you want to search. Well, you have to do exactly the same thing in R. You have to define what you want to search. And you can do that very general, very broad, but you can also fine-tune these searches. How can you fine-tune? Well, for each database that you can search, you can ask him, yeah, what are the fields that I can search in? And I'm just going to do it, and then I will explain it a bit better. Here we are. So all these files in NCBI databases, they have a certain structure. They contain different types of information. And these types are called fields. Yeah? So you can specify which field you specifically want to search in. So if you have an accession number, these are these unique IDs that you often find for NCBI files. If you have an accession number, then you can tell him, well, search in the accession numbers. Yeah? If you have words in the title that you know, you can tell him, well, look for this word and look specifically in the title of all these files in the SRA database. Yeah? So this allows you to see which fields you can use for one specific database. Now you can search for a specific organism, you can search for a certain author of a publication or of data. So how do you do the search now? Well, to do the search, you can use this function. It will search the NCBI databases using the Entrée system. What do you need to specify? The name of the database that you want to search in. So that's one of these things. And then you have to specify a term. What is the term? The term is the thing that you would write here if you were to do it via your browser. Yeah. So we specifically want to search for this thing in the SRA database. And this is an accession number. I know this because this is what they look like in the SRA database. This is an accession number, so I can tell him specifically to search only in the accession number fields of all these files. That's what I do here. So when I run this, he will search, take some time, and the result is a list, as always. Yeah, and you can take a look here, and you see that this list contains different objects that have different types of information.